But I'm going to tackle the first one that I see, which is this Jacobsen. This Jacobsen has a very strange priming apparatus there. It's not even a primer, you know. It's basically this thing here. And if you could look inside, if you put this on full choke, right, which it is now, right, that's open. Now the choke is closed, okay? It's on full choke. When you push this thing in, it basically just, it's not a primer. I mean, I don't know why it's designed that way, but it just basically covers up the entire carburetor opening there, you know, so that there's no air going in at all, you know. And apparently that's what gets it started. I don't see how that happens, because how does fuel get in there, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, I was thinking about drilling a hole over here and putting some kind of a primer bulb in there, you know, so that this isn't really gonna work. I don't know. First I'm gonna try to start this up though. I tell you, they don't make them like they used to. It just needed gas. Just put gas in it, started right up. Runs good. How this works is got a clutch over here. That's how you engage the auger. Look at that. That impeller's really moving fast. Disengage the brake and get it to go. See? Once you disengage it, it moves by letting go of the handle. And then you lock it to keep it from going anywhere. Kind of a weird design, but you know, it works. What? This doesn't need anything. One down. This will be the challenge. I got this for free. You could watch one of my videos about when I got it. The thing had such great patina on it, I even considered just leaving it the way it is and just gloss coating it, because there was no rust, it was just surface rust, you know. But then I saw some pictures of the way the Jacobsens came. They had a couple of paint schemes. One was red with the white, right? And then it was one with the white with the red, right? And then there was one that was all red, you know. I kind of thought it was pretty cool to have a white snowblower, you know. The primer bulb system is really cool. I couldn't figure it out in the beginning. But this is the choke, right? This is the throttle. And there's just like this spring-loaded button that you push down. And basically it's a big cover that covers the entire front of the thing. So when you push it down and you pull it a couple of times, you know, slowly, you know, almost like priming a diesel or something, it creates a vacuum that sucks fuel into the area without air, you know, so it's pretty cool. So I'm going to try it now. I had this thing started about a month ago. So I'm going to just push this thing down and give it a couple of, this is what they call priming. Alright, so now I'm going to let go and, actually, I think I still push it. Ooh. The same flywheel. Okay? So I release the brake and it goes. And then to stop it, you pull the handle and it locks. Release it and let go.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers.